What to do with a squeaking peeping bed can be very irritating. Well, it's not that difficult. Take the bed apart, mattress on the side, the bottom's on the side, and all you need is a screwdriver, a cordless drill and some double-sided adhesive tape. Unscrew all screws, place the tape and put the screws back. It can also be pieces of inner tube from a bike, but this is much easier. It will take half an hour maybe. And screw everything back again. Do this with the whole bed. Every connection should have some tape. Then you put back the bed, the mattresses, and woohoo! Success! And that makes not only me happy, but somebody else as well. Enjoy and good luck. Ciao, ciao.